When you go to a place like a Brakes Plus or a Just Brakes, you got to remember what they're there for. Just Brakes, compartmentalized, fit in that little box. Now, if you want to fit in that box and you think you're saving yourself some money by spending the 5 cents of your automotive dollar there, you're fooling yourself, and here's why. Those guys are designed to make money, which means they need the install to go as cheap as possible. Brakes aren't anything to worry about from a safety perspective, so you can have a kid do them who's not qualified, right? The next time you're at a Brakes Plus or Just Brakes, ask them to see their ASE Master Technician certifications. I'm still waiting. I've never seen one. You might have 1 or 2 technicians in the building who have 1 or 2 certifications. There are 8 to be a Master Tech, and I promise you that that facility might have 1 guy in the building who has those, but he didn't look at your car before it left. That makes me worried. So we only install OE parts for the same reason we only have master technicians. When you look at a brake rotor, and I purchase it from my catalog, it doesn't show me how big it is, it tells me how much it weighs. Why? All brakes do is take that kinetic energy and transfer it into thermal energy. You want to buy a cheap brake rotor? You can. I can't stop you. But it's going to weigh less, and it's not going to do the job effectively. Also, the metallurgical breakdown of that is included in our parts sheet. We actually get to see exactly what metals are in that brake rotor. Is it designed to get to 900 degrees for the ones you're putting on your Audi S7? Well, it better be. Because if you're buying the cheap rotors from the brake parts place across the street or from the cheap brake place, you're probably getting the $7 Chinese rotor they put on every car. Because did you know that when they source their parts, every brake rotor they get comes out of the same facility? The same manufacturing plant? Do you feel okay with the same parts on your Porsches on a Corolla? Let us know in the comments. In the meantime, if you need brakes on your car, come and see us at Autotek, and you're going to get OE parts by a master technician.